This hair serum does reverse your hair damage in just one application. Like, I am surprised to say this, and this is a non-sponsored video. This is a magic potion. This works phenomenal all dry and damaged hair. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I make videos related to beauty, makeup, lifestyle, travel and vlogs. If you are interested in such videos, do consider subscribing. So today I'll talk about the most beautiful product and most favorite of mine, Plix Hibiscus Bond Repair 10-in-1 Hair Serum, which is basically designed to repair, protect hair bonds and to reverse hair damage. This hair serum comes in this pink kind of packaging, which looks absolutely cute and innovative. I really love the packaging. The price of Plix Hibiscus Bond Repair 10-in-1 hair serum is 600 rupees for 50 ml of product, but you will get it on offer. I have bought this from Nykaa, but it's available on Blinkit now. Now we'll talk about most important part, which is ingredients list. What makes this hair serum special, and what makes this hair serum work in just one application. So the first ingredient is 2% malic acid, which acts as hair conditioner, reduces friction between hair, repairs damage due to heat, styling, coloring and other hair procedures, and repair damaged hair bonds. Next very important ingredient is fiber hands and ceramide complex. These two penetrate deep and repair the hair bond by strengthening and reduce frizz and enhance hair shine. Another key ingredient is hibiscus extract. It goes without saying that what hibiscus does to our overall health. So hibiscus is rich in nutrients. It hydrates hair, nourishes hair and enhances smoothness. Next ingredient is plant keratin. It mimics natural keratin to enhance hair structure, improve elasticity and retain moisture, and makes hair glossy. Plix Hibiscus Bond Repair 10-in-1 Serum is a blend of these beautiful ingredients, which is bound to work synergistically to repair damage, protect against further stress and improve hair's appearance and texture. The texture of this hair serum is lightweight and has beautiful fragrance to this. The formula is quick absorbing and non-greasy. The fragrance, I think if you are only using this serum, the fragrance stays for at least 8 to 10 hours, but if you are using this hair serum with the conditioner, with the same range of conditioner, the fragrance stays for at least 48 hours. If you want to see the review of the conditioner, it's already uploaded on my channel and in hair care playlist. After using it for at least 3 months, I am able to give my honest opinion here. This is magic in a bottle, guys. So first let me tell you my hair type, then you will be able to understand. So I have very oily scalp and dry hair, like it's color treated. My ends are not that crazy dry, but जो color treatment and heat treatment के बाद होता है ये उतना dry है. I mostly blow dry my hair, like मंथ में 3-4 बार ही ऐसा होता है कि मैं ब्लो ड्राई नहीं करती, बट आई मोस्टली ब्लो ड्राई माई हेयर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस, आई वॉश माई हेयर ऑन ऑल्टरनेट डेज. आई मेक श्योर टू वॉश माई हेयर on alternate days, no matter what. हाँ, अगर मैं बीमार हूँ तो that is a different story, but my hair wash routine is very strict. I always apply hair oil और hair mask before washing my hair. मैं कुछ ना कुछ लगाऊंगी तभी नहाऊंगी. मैंने कभी directly अपने hair को wash नहीं किया. I have very fine hair and I don't have split ends, so that's all about my hair type. Now I'll tell you about my experience with Plix Hibiscus Bond Repair Serum. I applied it for the very first time. Right after using this, in just first application, my hair looks repaired, like extra nourished and healthy and shiny. There was no frizz whatsoever. It reduces frizz and flyaways and gives smoother hair without weighing it down and without making it oily. My hair felt soft after just one application and it never weighed down my hair, and my hair looks very healthy until next wash. I take 3 to 4 drops for my whole hair. When my hair is damp, I try to coat each strand. I don't apply this on my scalp, and sometimes I apply this as my overnight treatment. I apply it on my length like 4 5 drops. You don't have to drench your hair with this, just apply as less as you can, but make sure to coat each strand. Keep it overnight, and next morning I apply hair oil to my scalp and length and wash my hair. And this also helped me a lot to keep my hair healthy and repaired. I usually use this with conditioner from same hibiscus range, but even if you are not using if you are using it alone, it works beautifully. I have used it with every hair conditioner and hair mask, and I have used it alone too, and it performed really beautifully. It also strengthens out brittle hair and makes less prone to breakage. I have never used this before styling. I always use this after hair wash and a night before hair wash, like my leave-in treatment. And this is suitable for all hair types, but color treated, heat treated, and dry or extra dry hair should try this one. This is a very beautiful hair serum. So my final verdict is you must try if you have hair concerns like mine. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.